Welcome Clement's Family Farm and Cinco 4-H Rocketry Group. Today we got a beautiful day and it's a little bit windy. We're going to try to do our first launch for 2022 and we're trying to do it early enough before the wind comes up, but it's still gorgeous out. We'll send up some small rockets. We've got some bigger ones here. Hopefully it'll die down a little bit so we can launch them, but we're gonna have a great day. We can't wait for the kids to show up, and hopefully we can capture some of that on film. So I'll come back when we get all the kids and we'll do some photos. Yep, that's how it goes. That's real life. All right, I'll come back with all the kids and we'll have a good time.
I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just
that way.
Yeah. It's done till you broke.
Load up and switch. All right.
3, 2, 1.
So welcome to the fire.
Yeah, I'm not gonna capture that one.
Uh-oh, we got 2 pieces. Oh, that's the awning way up there. Yeah, it's gonna go down off the hill. That's where I was testing.
You can see how far they went. Clear on the other side.